blow, drr. But when you inhale, it's very difficult to drr.
Ah,
How do you do that?
you should know. You're Indian. This is a perfect for Indians because your way you speak, your tongue is always on the roof of the mouth.
True, but when I exhale, it's easy. Drr, 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 drr.
So,
But when I inhale,
do you know
it's
what's happening when you go? Oh, this is gonna now. Juliet's gonna say she's gonna get jealous here. I
I
wish I
am.
could do that.
I already am, actually. Might just go away for a bit.
Last week, a week before, Juliet had a question which I answered wrongly. Actually, she said, "How can I do this drr without going drr?" And what I should have said is about the same as if you want to drive to Ukraine without driving to Ukraine. Should have been the correct answer.
Yeah.
So
what I
Rupert,
mean is, it's easy when I do. Can I do that when I blow?
yeah, I know.
Very
Well, tell me what's
difficult to
happening when you
drop.
do that when you blow. Tell me. What is
Drr,
happening
it's
inside your mouth? What is the physiology involved here?
drr. My tongue is already up,
Yes,
touching the roof of the upper jaw.
yes.
So I just blow. Drr. It's easy.
Which direction is the air?
Drr, blowing out.
Which direction is the tongue pointing?
Up. Drr,
Is it pointing towards your teeth or away from your teeth?
pointing towards the teeth.
Okay,
Drr.
what about if you reverse everything?
You mean reverse means what? To do down or away from the teeth?
If you reverse the airflow, you're breathing in.
Uh-huh.
What if you reverse the tongue direction so the tongue is pointing away from the teeth?
Don't make any noise.
You have to push it to the roof.
Oh, okay. That's not the drr, something else. Drr. Okay. Okay.
Can you try? Everybody can try if you want to, except Juliet. Oh, you have to have the original sound on, otherwise we don't hear you.
Okay, let me see. Yes. It's on. Okay. I'm getting only this. While blowing, I'm able to recognize the sound. When I'm inhaling,
Do it without the harmonica. No, don't speak, only whisper.
I'm not getting it. Sorry.
You're not working hard enough.
Okay, that could be the case. Okay, I'll try consciously with my tongue on the roof, not touching.
Yeah, but don't worry too much. It's not a really big thing. It's not.
Yeah. Okay.
It doesn't stop you playing the harmonica.
Yeah, for sure. Okay.
I heard it used. First time I heard it used was in Joe Filisko playing a song "Little Drummer Boy" because they wanted like a snare drum. Drum, drum, dum, 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 drum, ba, dum, dum, drum, dum, dum. So okay, so. You'll also hear it if you listen to D. Ford Bailey and some of those early players. They used that mostly on the inhale, but mostly on the exhale, but it can be done on the inhale also. Good luck. How do I get that rolling the R thing? Breathing in, very difficult and not essential, but a good question. Always like to hear this question. We haven't heard it this month. Normally we hear it once a month. When somebody gets to that stage, they go, how come I can't breathe in and going drrr? And occasionally some people say, how come I can't breathe out and go drrr? But it does happen.